as you can see on this traditional tank, it is going to come up and through the roof and go outside from there. Now, we don't have to use that same venting. Matter of fact, we can't use that same venting. This venting is an aluminum B-vent system, and we can't put that on a tankless. And so we do have to go and upgrade that to either a PVC or a concentric piping like what I have here. Now, this actually makes it really smooth and easy, because what we're able to do is we're able to take that tankless, mount it up on the wall, one penetration point right outside the home. You get the nice look for the customer. You got your exhaust here, your intake here, and then it enables our tankless to pull in that air and be able to get all the fresh air intake that we need directly from the outside, while exhausting all the harmful gases and everything that we don't want in here to the outside of the home in one pipe. So this makes it real nice, one hole right outside the house, nice clean fixture. Now, there are cases though where we do have to run up and through the ceiling, or we got to go over to another wall. So Rinnai has actually developed a pretty cool guide that we can use out in the field. It's got a laser system on there, so you know exactly where you're pointing, knows exactly where you're going to go. This is already set for the pitch and the height that we need to be able to get our run on the tankless. We can take that and we can shoot it across the room, and we can see exactly where we're going to penetrate through, go drill our hole, and that tells us where we need to put our pipe out the side of the house.